Okay, good morning, everyone. Can you hear? Okay. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our workshop. And today, okay. So today we will mainly focus on the attack with defense. So short for the AWD. AWD, right? So here's some contents for today. Okay, so I have prepared two challenges. Okay, to show you how to complete the AWD competition in CTF. So first, this challenge name is Easy Java, and another one that is Easy Web. Okay, just skip this the name. Okay, and I will show you how to do it because as you see here, this one is merely Java CTF, and this is another one. This is a PHP one. So why I splice two different challenges for you? That is because, as you know, in AWD we need to attack and defense. So that means attack may be sometimes very easy, but the patch, okay, defense, okay, that means you need to patch. This is very different. So, for example, in Java and web, so this should be different. So this is why I have prepared two challenges for you for the Java environment and the PHP environment. And but before we come to these two challenges, first I think we need to talk about something about the AWD. As you see here, so what is AWD? AWD is attack with defense. So that means this is first of all it's a CTF. So that means you need to get flag, but in AWD mode something very different. That is, you need to continuous to get flag from the from it from others. Not like some online CTF, you only get flag in one time. But in AWD, you need to get flags so many times, and every time the flag is different. So that means every time you get a flag, you will get some points. And so the definition about the AWD is here. So attack and defense is a competitive hacking game, okay? And where you play against other hackers to compromise a machine or then patch its vulnerabilities to stop other players from also gaining access. And so here's some key components of attack defense CTF. So first, as you see, you need to find flags on other teams, okay, or systems, on other team system to score points and keep your own service secure. So this is attack and defense. So here, attack, that means you need to find some vulnerabilities and exploit all these vulnerabilities. In AWD, most time we have source code. So that also means how to find out all these vulnerabilities. That also means, the source code audit. Okay, this is very important in AWD. And this defense, okay, the defense always means patching. Yeah, you need to identify weakness in their own service and patch them without crashing the service. Yeah, this is very important. We cannot only patch our service. We also provide the most important thing is that after patching, okay, the service cannot be crashed. Okay, cannot crash. Otherwise, you will lose some scores or some points. And this is attack and defense. Okay, and next, this is this each team is usually provided with identical intentionally vulnerable virtual machine. That means every team has the same machine. Okay, same reliable machine. And so that means if you can find some vulnerabilities in your own machine or in your own, that means all these vulnerabilities still exist on others So that means you can attack them. And the next that is time frame. Okay, that means this game okay often run in tricks. Okay, some runs. Okay, where teams must maintain service uptime to avoid losing points. So that means when we start this game, okay, you need to continue to get flag from others and defense attack from others all the time. Okay, and another thing you need to know that is uh, for the virtual machine. Okay, this is maybe most time there are more than one vulnerabilities in this virtual machine. So that means you need to find out all of these vulnerabilities and fix them and exploit them. So this is also a very important thing. And here I will show you something about the uh, okay about our yeah here. Mm. Okay, as you see here, this is our system. Okay, so once you log in, you can join this game. Okay, and here, if you click here, and you will see some yeah some challenges. Okay, the first two are web challenges, and the last two are binary challenges. So, okay, this is Pong. So you can click here to download some information about this challenge. And also you can see this is some description about this game. And here, so that means, yeah, if you want to access to this challenge, okay, and as you see here, this is some points, okay. Once you attack others, you will get some points. And here, this is some details. So for this account, I'm team A0. So as you see, I try to attack the team C0 or team B0. Okay, yesterday night. Yeah, but how to attack them? How to find the vulnerabilities? So you need to click here, download information. As you see, download the information. So once you downloaded this information, you can get some sensitive here, as you see. So this is something, yeah, if you download from the yeah system. So Easy Java and the Easy Web, as you see, this is Easy Java and this is Easy Web. You will get some very important sensitive information here. The IP, this is your own IP. So this is your virtual machine here. And here, this is the target IP address. That means, yeah, you need to attack this IP and this IP. All these three IPs has the same, okay, have the same environments. So that means the same thing. Yeah, if you find some vulnerability on your own machine, you can try to attack all these teams. Okay, the team B0 and team C0, and the same as the AZ web, as you see here, this one and this one. So this is your IP address. As you see, this is different. Okay, this is 172.2263.1 13, okay, 13. But this one, okay, this is not 63, this is 64. So this means, yeah, different IP address, different machine. So here, this is Easy Web and this is Easy Java. But this is not enough because we only have an IP address. We need to log in to your own virtual machine, okay, to your own machine to get the source code. So here, this is something the SSH. Okay, this is SSH username CTF, and here this one. This is yeah private key. So as you can see in the AWD, okay, in AWD CTF, sometimes okay maybe we may supply a username and password for you, but most time okay today we always use this okay, a private key. So first you need to download the private key and use SSH command line to access to this, okay, to your own virtual machine, not this one and this one, because all these two you don't have private key. You need to attack them. Okay, you need to get flag. So first you can, now that you have known your IP address, so you can download the private key and SSH to your own machine and download the source code. So and start the source code audit to find out some vulnerabilities. So this is our system. Okay, as you see, system isn't. And once you click here, the combinations, you will get some challenges. Yeah, maybe not like this. This is only for test. But in the real competition, this maybe more challenges. Not only 4 challenges, maybe 6 or even 8 challenges. Okay, this is depends on the competition. I'm not so any so this may different, but in our tests, okay, only 4 challenges: easy Java, easy web, and easy VM, and this one. Okay, so these 4 challenges. So first 2 are web, and the last 2 are PON. So now that you have known how to get the sensitive information about for every challenges, okay, download the information here, and you will get a Excel file. Okay, this. So now we can try to log in. Okay, to access. Okay, SSH to this to address to IP here. Okay, so I have downloaded all this, the Easy Java and the Easy Web. As you see, Easy Java, this one. Yeah, this is the private key I have downloaded, and the Easy Web, we still have the private key. So that means we can try to access to this. If we want to access to this, this should be easy. Just SSH. Okay, and I. So here you just select the private key and here. So because here this is Easy Java, so Easy Java is here, and this is IP and this is a username. So this should be CTF add and this one, right? Okay. So as you see, we have logged in. So now you have access to your virtual machine. And now you can download the source code and try to start a source code audit. This is the first step, and I think this is the most important part. And also another thing that is very important, that is, as you see, some details. You need to attack the targets every runs, okay, every tricks. Most time in the AWD CTF, 5 minutes one tricks. Okay, one trick or one round. So that means, you need to attack the targets every 5 minutes to get a new flag and submit it to the system. Okay, here. So how to submit the flag? So if we really find some vulnerabilities and we compromise all this virtual machine, we get flag. Oh, this is not enough. We also need to submit some flags. Okay, here, as you see, we can submit our flag. And in this one, every team has your own token here. And if you want to submit the flag, you need to submit the other's flag with your own token. That means, you compromise them. So this token is only belong to you. Okay, only belong to the the corresponding team. So for my team is team A0. So this is my token, and we can submit flags to this address. Okay, as you see here. But this is only for test. In the real competition, this URL may different. Okay, so you need to change it when you join in the real competition. So here in this test, we use this address here, and this is API. You need to send a post request. Okay, and this is a JSON. Okay, so the content type should be application JSON. And here, this is the request body, as you see, flag. And so this is the flag from target from the other teams. And this is a token, your own token. Okay, just post it to here. And the response body will give you some response code. Okay, and it's this part is very important. It's pass if it's true. That means yeah, your flag is real. Okay, so that means you really get points. And here this means you can only submit the flag uh, the flag from one team in one time in one tricks. So that means if you submit this flag two times in one tricks, you can only get one. You will not get more points. Okay, no more points. For example, okay, here as you see, for example, as you see, if we have 5 minutes, okay, 5 minutes, one runs, okay, uh, and when you attack, okay, attack success, you will get 100 points. And so that means, yeah, once you submit flag to the system, you will get, okay, that means your attack success and you will get 100 points. But if you just resubmit this flag again and again, you will get no more points, only 100 points in one rows. So yeah, you can try to submit it what, yeah, so many times, but you can only get yeah, you will never get more points, okay, in one rounds. But next rounds you can try. You need to attack it again, get a new flag, and submit this flag to the system and get some points. Okay, some new points. Okay, so this is some rules about the CTF. Okay, AWD CTF. So now, as you see here, so I think, yeah, this should be very easy to understand, but yeah, you really need to, yeah, practice in the real world by yourself. Okay, and so this rule is very simple, and as you see here, and so this is some information. Yeah, we have 7 minutes before. So, okay, so this is for these two challenges, Easy Java and Easy Web. I have shared my slides in Zoom. You can download it. So some source code is here and some commands is here. You can download it. Okay, and here as you see, so this is some private key. And if you want to access to this, yeah, now you can access to sorry. So as you see, you can access to this training platform. But if you want to access to this to these challenges, you need to use a VPN. Okay, so I have shared this for you here. This one, the VPN and username. So you can use this username and password to log in, and you need to use this VPN. Okay, to okay, yeah. Yeah, you need to use the OpenVPN, okay, to connect to the host. Otherwise, you cannot access to it. As you see, the IP address, all of these four challenges, okay, the IP address is an internal IP address, not a public IP address. So you need a VPN, okay, but this is not necessary, as you see. And yeah. So now let's try come to the first one. I will show you something about how to compromise the target. Okay. Okay. As you see here, the easy Java and the easy web, and here. So I have show you how to do it, how to SSH to the target. Use the private key, as you see. But first of all, you need a VPN. Okay, you really need a VPN because this IP address is an internal IP. You need a VPN. Okay, so I have supplied the VPN for you. You need the yeah, open VPN to do this. So now you can access to the Easy Java and the Easy Web. Okay, these two okay, all this. And next, let's come to the to this one. So as you see, once you access to no matter the easy Java or easy web, you can get a shell. But this is all your own hosts. You can, and also you can find a yeah, you can find a flag here. Yes. Okay, for example, and this is the PWD, as you see, home CTF. Okay, and if we list the root directory, as you see, you can find a flag. But this is your own flag. You cannot submit this flag because that means, yeah, you attack yourself. This is not good. Okay, and maybe if you submit your own flag to provide to tell the system, yeah, you attack yourself and you submit the flag. This is you will get no points because this is the own flag. But as you see, this flag, but this is something you need to know, that is, yeah, the location where is the flag. The flag is under the root directory. So that means other teams has the same flag under the root directory, but the contents is different. So if once you compromise the target, you need to read flag from the root directory. Okay, here the flag. And as you see, we also supplied the source code here. This is a Java app. So we can access to this URL, as you see. As you see here, yeah, this is the target. The web. This is a web server. Oh, and your easy Java, as you see. So you can also access to others. Okay, this is for the team B0, and this is for team C0, the same one, as you see. Yeah, all the same, right? And also we can access to another one. This is for the easy web. Okay, easy web. This is your own easy web, and this one, this team B0 and team C0, the same one. So in this CTF, okay, the only thing you need to do is attack team B0, team C0, all these four targets, and patch your own virtual machine, two targets. Okay, this one and this one. Patch it, be avoided by attacked by others, and attack all this, get flag, and submit to get points. So this is something you need to do. Okay, so as you see, so now that you have known how to do it, and in this AWD CTF, and the next thing, the most important part, that is the source code audit. You need to get the source code from the SSH server and find out the more as more vulnerability as you can. Okay, the more the better, and okay, so here. Okay, so now you can, yeah, download it. And so this is for Easy Java, and this is for Easy Web. As you see, Easy Web is a PHP web server, and the Easy Java is a Spring Boot. Okay, we use app.jar, okay, the jar file to start it. And okay, and how to submit flag? We have talked about, right? Your token, and this is the API. You need to post it flag and the token here. So, and so here we need first. Let's come to the Easy Java to find out some vulnerabilities. So first, we have logged into the Easy Java. As you see, we can see the app.jar, but we need to download it in our own machine and try to find out some vulnerabilities. So we can use SCP. Yeah, SCP. This is SSH copy from the, and use this one, as you see, I with the private key and CTF here. So that means, yeah, it will try to download the app.jar under the root directory, because as you see, app.jar is really under the root directory, and to the current to the current directory here. To our own host here. So SCP, we need to download it here. And as you see, I have downloaded it here, app.jar. And so this is a jar file, okay, not a PHP. PHP, we just load this source code and start the audit. But the Java file, okay, is a jar. We need to unzip it, okay, unpack it. And also you can use some command to unpack it. And sometimes I suggest you to use some professional tools such as GDGUI. I have supplied the download the URL here. You can download it by yourself. Okay, so this is an open source tool to unpack the jar file. Okay, GDGUI here. And so this is okay. Let me reopen it. Okay, so GDGUI here. Okay, so this is GUI about the GDGUI, and so next you need to do that is here just drop this app.jar here, so it will be unpacked. So next we need to start a source code audit here. For this one, this easy Java is very easy, as you see. So first, I think we need to know the structure about the source code, the easy jar. So once we load the jar file into the GDGUI, you will get something. Yeah, bootInf, okay, bootinf or the metinf and others. So this is the structure. If you want to start a source code audit, we need to come to this one, the bootinf here. The class is okay under this directory. The controller most time first we need to check the controller or field or security or data files, and this is some source code, and this is some third-party library, and all this is some third-party files. So if in CTF, most time the most important part this is here, the classes here. It's here, this one, this part. Those classes. This is Lodo, okay. And as you see, controller config. This is something first we need to know or we need to see. As you see, some field. Yeah, field is very important. That from the field we will know which some special URL and some special inputs which can be accepted, but which cannot. As you see, this is show. Okay, show. Show has field, the URL parser field and the show field. As you see here, once you access to it, you will see some special URL. Okay, some router. Okay, register, login, and that means anyone can access to it, but someone maybe not. And so this is authentication. Okay, and all this. So that means there's some rules. So you need some you can access, but some you are not. For others, you need to authenticate, type in username and password. But for some special one, maybe you can access to it. This is numerous, okay. And here, this is URL puzzle, as you see. This one, the common test. This is something very important. If we just audit this, read this source code, you will find some vulnerabilities here. And this one, there's no vulnerabilities. There's some failed chain, okay, failed chain like this one. As you see, it have defined some URL. Okay, that means you can access. And but here this is admin, okay, and there are some classes. Okay, you can see it. For example, admin article and here test or list or others. So this is some special URL. Java are very complex, more complex than PHP. So you need to know the structure about the Java, and you need to know how to exploit But and here, the first vulnerability is here in the URL puzzle, URL puzzle field here. And as you see here, this is a condition and a judgment. Okay, so if not original URI, okay, start with the common test, it will come to the field chain. Okay, do field. Okay, do a field. Uh, and but before this, as you see, this is URL decode, and here this is a normalized resource path. As you see, normalized resource path is still a URL decode. So that means this is a file path traversal. So that means we can URL encoded our we can encoded our URL 2 times. And at that time, we can bypass this limitation and to do something very important, interesting. Why we need this? This is because here, as you see, this is a dispatcher forward. So that means if we can use the forward, that means we can access to some special file, which maybe not allowed we access directly. So this is a very important thing, the common test. So that means, if we can use this to access to some special APIs, such as admin APIs or others. And so why we need this? That is because even so you can find some vulnerabilities in this source code, but you cannot if you cannot access to it, you cannot exploit. But if with this one, the file path traversal, we can try to encode our URL 2 times and to bypass this limitation and use the dispatcher forward to access to some specific URL or some path. This is very important. And as you see here, in this one, okay, first this one, in this one, the role admin controller, you will see extreme deserialization vulnerability. This is a CVE, and another this is a JX path RCE. So this is very interesting one, as you see. So how to exploit and how to find it? First, for this one, the role admin controller. Okay, so this is some source code under the admin directory folder. Okay, this one under it. So this some class is files, class files. And here for this one, and once we unpack the JR file, how to find out some vulnerabilities? This is depends on yourself. You need to check it, and but as you see, this is not so many files. So and such as this one, this one should be this vulnerability are very easy to find out. This one, the URL puzzle, but it's useless. We cannot get something. So that means, but with this vulnerability, we can combine this vulnerability with some special URL or some such as deserialization vulnerability or others. And we can, because this is a file traversal, so you can bypass the limitations. And next, the first vulnerability is here, as you see. Admin rule. Okay, the batch save. This is here under the admin rule admin controller here. Okay, this one, for this one. And as you see, it has some rules or list or save. As you see, in under this one, you will find some special source code here, the save. Okay, the save. And under the save, as you see, it will you will do something very different. As you see here. This one. Okay, this sorry, not the same, it's a batch save. This one, this is extreme. Okay, extreme. And from the source code here, the batch stream here, from the source code, you can see that the extreme is from the new extreme and is from the user side. So that means the user side can set a deserialization string to the target, and the target it will unserialize it and do something. So that means yeah, we find some we find a deserialization input, but this one cannot access directly the raw admin controller because it's not in the router. But we have known this vulnerability here, as you see here. We have known this vulnerability. So that means, yeah, we can use the forward, okay, the forward to access to it. So we can try to exploit. This is the first one, okay, the first. And next, the second one is very similar as the previous one. Not like this, okay. Very previous, very similar as this one. This is for the article controller, okay, article controller here. So for the modify article contents. This is a GPath RCE, okay, GPath RCE. So we can find that in this source code in here. There is a JX path, okay, and this content can be controlled by the user. So that means, yeah, you need to construct some gadget chain, okay, to exploit the targets. And I have, write the exploit for you here, and as you see, okay, and I will share this for you later. So this is our payload, and so as you see, we can test it. So this is our this one, okay. This is our ONIP, and this is okay the port, okay, the port. So once you have found these two vulnerabilities, okay, I find the two vulnerabilities. So for this, yeah, you need to construct the payload for yourself. Okay, this payload. Okay, this is because yeah, you can use such as some special tools, such as maybe, as you see, the yes, oh yeah, Yasser, okay, or others. You can try to this. But first of all, yeah, we need to bypass this limitation. How to bypass this limitation? So that means you can access to this one. Yeah. So like this one. Yeah. Okay, just wait one moment, a little slowly. Okay, so if we access to the common test, and so because there are two times URL decode, so if we just this, we cannot complete the file transfer vulnerability. So we need to encode this URL. File, yeah. So like this, if we just, okay, so file transfer and to another one, such as to the admin, okay, the admin role. But for this, you cannot use this directly because if we just use this, the forward cannot recognize it because we need first, there are two URL decode. URL decode is here. Okay, URL decoder is here, and the normalization has. So that means first we need to encode it two times. The URL encode. Yeah. For this one, this is percentage. Let me check it. Yeah, this one. This one. Okay. So what's this? What's this? So percentage 25. That is percentage, and so that means, yeah, if you decode it, as you see, this is percentage. So percentage 28, what's this? Come back. Oh yeah. First URL decode it, and then URL decode point, right? This is point. So first we encode the point to percentage to E, and the percentage should be encoded again percentage 25. So like this, percentage 25 to E. So this is double URL encode. First time you type it here. Okay, it's our URL. Okay, our browser will decode it first, and it will become to the percentage 20E and the percentage 20E. This one to the to the server side, and the server will decode it here. URL decoded here, and so start with this and do field. So we bypass the limitation here. This is how to do it. Otherwise, if we just use the dot dot, it will not. Okay, it will not start with a common test because dot dot will be jump to the root directory. So this is not start with. So nothing. So here it will be written. So this is how to bypass limitation here. And as you see, percentage 2E, percentage 2E. So we can jump to the admin. Okay, this one. Article here. Okay, save. So if we access this, yeah, we can bypass the limitation and access to the save. Save is here. Yeah, this is some variable. Okay, variable here. Raw admin. Okay, not this. This is another one. The JX path, but another one that is here. This one. Not here. This one. Raw batch save. Okay, admin raw batch save. But this save is the same. Okay, article save. We will talk about it later. So here, the first vulnerability is here. As you see, yeah, admin. Yeah, batch save. So batch save is here, and as you see, raw. This is raw, not here. Raw batch save. Yeah, he is here. So as you see, this is Xstream. So Xstream can be, yeah. For this version, the Xstream still work in the blacklist. So we can bypass it with some special, deserialization stream, like this in our payload here. This is our payload here. So that means, yeah, for this, we can bypass it. And so we can, yeah, get, so we just set a content type, application XML, and we set a new header CMD. Okay, we can cat flag or do some other things. So this is a serialization string. No need parameter, just send it so we can get the flag. So this is the first one. And for the second one, the same one, yes. For this one, we still need to use the common test to complete the file traversal to the special to the sensitive URL. No, but not the admin raw batch save, but another one. That's this one. Oh, this one that is JX path here, as you see. This one, JX path. Okay, JX path RCE. For this one, this is here, the article admin controller. Yeah, this one. But this vulnerability is very hard to find. As you see, for this one, if we come to the save, there's only a modified article. Okay, here, article contains. But as you see, we still don't know what's the definition about this one. So we need to come to the entirety here, but not here. Let's come to, as you see, and this is from a class article service. Okay, article service. Article service is here. Article service here. So as you see, and if we something wrong with my GDGI, the article service. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, article service. Article service is from here. Yeah, public article admin. No, not here. Article service is, yeah, it's here. Okay, article service. Okay, this is private. Okay, private one, and we have included here. Okay, entirety article. Okay, it's here. Articles. So okay, you can come to it. Mm -hmm. It's from here, from this class, not the entirety, but the service. Okay, article service, as you see here, article service. But here, article service, there is no some detailed code because article service is under the implement here, article service implement. here, as you see, we can find the modify article contents here. And the modify contents here is, yeah, it has some, yeah, black key list. And so if we can bypass the blacklist keywords, we can use, you can use here. And so let's check the blacklist. It's a Seco United here. Yeah, blacklist is here. Yeah, as you see, buys long runtime. So that means, yeah, if you can bypass all these keywords, you can really get the flag. And but for this one, this is for some yeah special gadget chain. So as you see, we can use this one. This is for Java 8. We can bypass it. You can find it on the internet. Yeah, so just send something. Okay, data is not important. And here, so this is another one, the payload. So and I will share the this script for you. Okay, and but for this one, so first for this one, now we have construct our own exploit, but we need to test it. We can test on our own virtual machine. Okay, our virtual machine. And for this one, let me find it. Oh yeah, here. Okay, as you see. But I have patched it. So first, let's come to the original one. Okay. Okay, the original one. So you will see all the same, but a little, yeah, as you see, like success. Our IP address 13. Oh, you see, it's okay. Okay, so now let's test it. 13. Okay, this is your own host. You can, if you can get some flag, that means okay. But you cannot submit this flag because this is your own flag. You cannot submit to the platform. So let's try another thing. But we can test it. If it really work, so we can, yeah, use this. Okay, use this script to attack others. So now let's come to this is exploit test. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you got the flag, right? The same flag. Even though there's two vulnerabilities, but all these two vulnerabilities refer to the same flag, Okay, so that means, yeah, it's really okay. So that means, yeah, we can change the IP address to this one or to 13 or others. Let's try, as you see. This is 11, okay, 11. This is team B0. As you see, the flag is different. Now we can try to attack the 13. 13, as you see, flag is okay, all very different. Okay, different. Okay, your own flag, team B0, team 3 C0. So you get the flag. So now you need to submit the flag. How to submit flag? We have known how to do it here. Okay, just post here and use with your own token and the flag. But yeah, you can post it by yourself. But this should be very complex. So we can do it yeah automatically. Just use a script. But for different challenge, AWE competition, okay, the URL may be different and the method how to submit the flag may be different. So anytime you need to write some, some script for yourself. So another one, the EXP, okay. So as you see, I make a list. So this is the target list. You can attack all of this. And I write a new function, the submit flag. As you see, flag, token, oh yeah, your own token, and the submit URL. So this is, yeah, for this challenge, for this test. And I also set a timeout, okay, 10 seconds. If Okay, payload, and here, as you see, same as this one, request, post, and header and others. So okay, and so just yeah, submit. That's okay. So, and the others are all the same, So we can try this one, the AXP, okay? But for this one, there's no response, because I don't write the response. You can here, yeah, you type in a print text, okay, to get the response. Or it's up to you because, but in the real competition, you need to modify the host list, okay, and add all the targets here, okay, one by one. So that means, yeah, you can submit flag one by one. So if we come to this, as you see here, let's come to our platform, as you see, yeah, just now, okay, just now we attack team C0 and team B0. As you see, easy Java and easy Java, this one. So we get some points, okay? And the next rounds, we can still continue to do this. But now, if you just attack again and again, nothing, nothing, right? You can get only one time, okay, 100 points, rounds, okay? No, that means you cannot do this again and again. And also here, yeah, for this scripts, you can write something more. For example, for every 5 minutes to do this, or every 10 minutes to submit it. This depends on the competition. If our competition is 5 minutes, one round, so that means you can write in your scripts 5 minutes, one round to submit. Okay, so I hope. Okay, so and sound quality is okay or bad? Okay. So sorry for that. And let's continue, okay? And so as you see, yeah, we have patched, yeah, we have tried to exploit the easy Java, and now I think it's, but this is not necessary. Next, we need to patch it. Patch is very complex for this one. Yeah. Why I say the patch is very complicated? That is because here, as you see, for the easy Java, now we have exploited all this, and but patch for the Java file, okay, the GR file. So we need to, yeah, as you know, the Java file is a class file, so we need to, yeah, rebuild it. And but first we need to unpack it. So this is very complex. So we need to use we should have a Java environment. So we can use jar, okay, XF to unpack it, to unpack the original file. So the app.jar. And but after we unpack it, we need to check the version of the major version about the app. Okay, this application. This is very important because for different version, we need to rebuild something very different. And in this one, okay, in the easy Java here, as you see, and for this one, the app jar, okay, we can unpack it here. And also, let's reopen the GDGUI. So, some details about the patch. So, even though we have known in AWD, yeah, we need to attack and patch. So defense or patch. But this doesn't mean when you try to patch, you need to do all of these things. This is not necessary in the CTF. So you only need to patch some special or sensitive string. That's enough. Okay, that's okay. So for example, in this one, as in the easy Java, as we have known, Yeah, even so, we find some very high risk vulnerability, such as this one, the extreme deserialization, and this one, GXPath remote code execution. All these vulnerability depends on a file traversal. So that means if we can fix the file traversal, we can fix all these vulnerabilities. Yeah, even though all these vulnerabilities still exist, we really fix it because it cannot be triggered. So this is how to fix it. And so that means, yeah, we can just patch here. Okay, patch the URL parcel field. Why URL parcel field is here? As you see, US parcel field. And as you see, this is a URL decode, right? URL decode. So the easiest way that is just comment this string, and so that means all this payload cannot be work. So cannot work. So just because this is a URL decode, okay, request from this. So we can just just let this variable original URI, not the URL decode, but only equal the get request. So that should be okay, I think. And so this is how to fix it. URL decoder and decode this request. So just know this one. Okay, this is the easiest way. But this is not the normal way. So we can try something very for the normal way here is here. I just here as you see. This and also you can try to rewrite this. Okay, you can rewrite the parcel field. Okay, so this is some I just rewrite it and remove something and fix it. But this should be more complex. But it's okay. It's up to you. You can just fix some special issue. Okay, and make it. But once we have fixed it, something we need to do that is rebuild it. So okay, let's do it step by step. Okay, first we need to unzip the app.jar. App.jar now we have unzip it here. Okay, I just make a new folder here, app unpack, and so now I just unzip it here. So as you see, now we can try to check to detect the major version of this. So just, but because you need to come to the real here come and config and okay. So as you see, we can see the URL class, right? This the class file cannot be modified or read because as you see something as you see some special string. Okay, this is not what we want, but we can use the use this the Java AP, this one, to check the major version. Okay, and as you see, the major version is 52. So the 52 it means Java 8. So this is something we need to do. Okay, first, because we need to rebuild our Java file, so we need to give it so many couplets. Okay, the CP. Okay, some libraries. So we make a variable. Okay, the variable name is CP. Okay, like this. But if you want to do this, you need to come to the boot if to this directory, not this one. Or if you come here, nothing. So let's come back to the previous directory here. As you see, still come. Okay, so let's come to this directory, and so now let's make cp equals this. So that means to find out all lib classes names from under this lib. Okay, to find out all jars and split it. So now if you can check it, just echo CP, and you see there are so many jars. So why we need this? This is because if you want to rebuild or patch a class file, you really need some all of these jar files. So now we make a CP, and so here next we need to use the Java C to rebuild it. To rebuild this, okay, like this. Okay. Okay, so skip this warning. Warning is okay because it only means that the Java 8 is out of date. Why is this why we use Java 8? This is because the major version is Java 8, so we use this. And so now we have got a new folder here, the out here, and under this we only get some this file, the URL parcel field dot class. This is the new file. And so this is something we have patched. So now you have patched this, and we can just copy it and back to the original source code. How to get the original source code? You can use GDGUI here and to save all sources. Okay, you can get all this source code. I have saved this here, as you see, and all this you just replace the target file you want. This one, the Java file. Replace it. Replace this Java file. Not this Java file. This is a Java file. Replace this the class file here. As you see, the class file. Okay, replace it. As you see, just replace it. And now, once you have replaced the class file, so next something you need to do that is here. Rezip it, okay, or pack it. So we use this command. The 0 is very important. 0, that means we need not to compress, no compress. Okay, 0. So and we need to come here. So even now you have you need to come here. Okay, in this one, under this directory, and okay, this means yeah, you need to pack the current directory and generate a new jar file. And the file name is app fixture, and app fixture has been generated here. So let's just generate a new one. Okay. No such one. No such. Yeah, it's here. So remove it, and now let's generate a new one. As you see, so here we got the new one, and now we need to upload it to the target server. So we use SCP. Okay, use SCP. This one to the target server. So still the private key, and but here we can use, for example, app or fixed like this jar. So that means we need to upload it. And oh yeah, I need to connect to the VPN. Otherwise, we cannot. Oh, let's connect. Okay, so let's try to re-upload it. Oh yeah, no such file. But we need to come to yeah here. Yeah, that may take some seconds. Oh, very slowly, very slowly. Version. Okay, don't worry, I have uploaded yesterday. So let's just don't worry, let's come. I have uploaded, so we can just use this. Let's connect to the target. Ah, very slowly, very slowly. A little slowly, just wait one moment, and yeah, something wrong with the network. Let's try again. We have connected. Okay, so we have logged in, and now, as you see, nothing, right? PW, nothing. Okay, so let's come to the TMP directory, and I have uploaded some files like this. app1 and app2.jar is okay. One is not. So, and here is a fixed one, but the fixed one has not completed. As you see, still not. So we use the app2.jar. But before you start this one, you need to kill the original one. So we can use the PS. So, okay, that's to kill the original one. Okay, PS, AUX, very slowly. Okay, so we can see all this, and as you see here, this Java app jar. Okay, this is from the user CTF, and this is the PID. We can use the kill. Okay, kill 9 to kill all this. This one. Okay. So if you kill it, now let's try to access to the to this one. As you see, no response, right? Okay, it has been broken, but if you access to this one or this one, it's okay, right? So this is because we have killed the process. So so that means, yeah, our service has been has done. But don't worry, you can just restart it in one rounds. You will not lose the score. Okay, we will not lose points. So now let's just start it Java jar, and so here the app.1.jar. Let's start it. Okay, it's okay now. As you see, it works. So let's reaccess to this. As you see, it's okay. But now we have this vulnerability has been fixed. How to test it? So very easy. Just use the original our original exploit here. We can use the test just here. So let's change the test here. Change the IP address. Okay, this is our own IP. So now we can use the Python exp to test it. If there's some flags response, that always means, yeah, we still not fix it. Otherwise, that means, yeah, we really fix it. Very slowly, but be patient. As you see, no response. Oh, sorry, this test. I need test. Yeah, test. As you see, nothing. Okay, that means it's none, empty. But this is not something wrong with our scripts. So because if you change it to this one or another one, let's check it. You can see the flag, right? You can see the flag. And if it's another one, you can still get the flag. So that means, yeah, we fix it. Yeah, we really fix it. And so because for this one, no flag response. No flag response, right? So that means, yeah, we can, now that we have not only fixed it, but we also, yeah, get the yeah, we get some points, as you see. Or we have compromise the team B or team C, others. Okay, and if if your fix is not okay, so here it's not normal, but some yeah, error. So as you see, now still okay. So that means yeah, we have fixed it and it's okay now. So this is the first one, how to compromise it, how to fix it. Okay, all of this I have been supplied for you here. And I think maybe after class I will okay collect all these information for you. Okay, and so here, as you see, this is easy Java, and this is our exploit here. Okay, I share for you. Here. So, and another thing, that is how to fix it. Yeah, this is something after fix. Very big. Okay, as you see, so big. But this is real. Yeah, we and so you need to do it by yourself. Here, how to fix it? Very big, and this one. So this is the easy Java, and now that you have known how to do it, so okay, let's come to the last one. Okay, also the next one. Okay, the next one and the last one. The easy web. Okay, this one. The easy web is a PHP web server. Some in some way, I think yeah, it's really maybe yeah, it's easy and more easier than the easy Java. So, but very similar. So first, you need to access to this one to the easy web and get the source code. So as you see, easy web. And as you see here, we still have this one. Okay, the private key. And so now we can sh, as you see, okay, access to the web server. So and also here, flag is still here. Is here, right? Flag is still here. And but for this one should be more can be a little complex. So and oh, okay, okay, okay. So we should come to the, this is Apache, not a Spring Boot. So we need to come to this directory. And as you see, you can see all this source code. And the source code has been zipped, okay, this one, the www.zip, this zip file. So the only thing we need to do that is download this file. And yeah, I have here. We just need to download it here. And so you can get the source code. Use the SCP. Okay, still SCP. Very similar as you see. Okay, let's come. SCP. This is okay as you see. Just that means we use the private key access to the CTF. Okay, and download it from the this path. Okay, www.zip and keep save it in the current directory, the easyweb.zip. Okay, this one. So this is the source code. And the source code, as you see here, is here. I just, so that means, yeah, we need to, yeah, we need to modify it. We need to, okay, let me check it. Let's open this. As you see, this is, okay, sorry, something wrong with my network. So, okay, so now, as you see, we can get this, right? Okay, all of this is all source code. So next, we need to find some vulnerabilities. about this the PHP file. So here, as you see, now what should we do? Okay, let's come to the next here. The easy web. Okay, and so in the easy web, yeah, we also need to check all this source code step by step. In this one, the cart index has a SQ injection, but this SQ injection is very hard to find because here, as you see, cut index here, and so in this file there's a SQ injection, and how to do it here? As you see, this is results. Results is here. Results, that means, yeah, select star from products where and this ID. But where's ID, this variable come from? This variable come from the get request. So ID equal get ID. And but before we send this ID into this query string, we still need a save function. Okay, save function. So that means this is a SQ save. Okay, SQ save. So that means there's a valve. So if we can bypass the valve, we can do this. Otherwise, you can't. So if but for in this challenge, we have known all of this source code. So let's come to the SQ save. Okay, to this function here. Here this is SQ save. So we can see. So okay, as a SQ save, as you see here. So we can check whether we can bypass it. And so SQ save is here. And as you see, some special strings. Okay, script, iframe, style, HTML, or others, or uni, select, or others. But as you see, this is a very simple blacklist, very easy to bypass. That's because, as you see, we only replace these special strings one times. So that means, yeah, if there are select or unit select or others, it will be replaced to none. However, we can combine some special strings together, such as this one, for example. Uni will be none, right? However, if we just uni and here uni, just wait one moment. My network is not very good. Let me try again. Okay, so I think it's okay now. And as you see, the uni, okay, this keyword will be replaced to none. And but this is only replaced one time. So that means if we combine the uni and uni, so what will happen for this string? This string will be replaced to none. But for this one, uni, it will be replaced the uni to none. So that means, yeah, this uni has been replaced to none. But it will keep another uni here. So after the SQ save, we will get a uni. So this is how to bypass the WAF. Very easy to bypass it. So now that you have known how to bypass it, and you have known the ID parameter, the variable ID is come from the user side. So some things should be very easy. Just yeah, access to this URL, as you see. So and let's come to the cartindex.com. For this one, like this, as you see, ID equals this. Okay, so this is the query string, and so now because you have known all of this source code and you have known the SQ structure, so this should be very easy to get something necessary. Okay, get some sensitive information here. Just here. Use this Okay, and we can use here. For example, we can use this ID equals this. Use this payload to get the ID here. As you see, we can get some get some username and password here. So go group connect. Okay, select this unit select, and from users like this. So we can get get some username and password. So now you can log in. We can log in. So use this. So this is SQL injection. SQL injection, and you can get some username and password here. So if we want to fix it, this should be very easy. The SQL save. Okay, SQL save. We should remove. We should modify it. The SQL save. If you want to fix this, not only replace one time, but replace so many different all the time. Okay, all the time, and this should be okay. Or here, not replace, but only return error or return none. So not this. Okay, if we can find not replace, but find something and then replace, not only replace, but return none or zero or return nothing or exit, just exit is okay. So this one, okay, this is this one, and so this for this one. So what can we do with this one? We can use this to get the username and password and try to log in. Once you can log in, you can do something more. Here, as you see, we can have a backend file upload vulnerability. But this is first you need to log in and then you can upload. Otherwise, you can't. So for this one, we can. So now that you have got here, right? So now we can get the username, the password is here, the Misa at misa.com is the URL. This is the username, okay, the email, and the Misa is the password. So now we can log in here. Username is here and Misa, okay. So now you log in, right? And here in the products, it's here. For this one, you have we have a file upload vulnerability, but for this one, you need to upload a AT access. Okay, this is something wrong with our middleware. In this CTF AWD, you don't have a privilege to do this, to change the middleware. So, but you can try to, you can fix here. Okay, don't allow the htaccess file to upload. So you can really bypass it, but not now. Let's try to compile to do this. For this one, as you see, yeah, we can edit something or upload some files. Okay, here, but even so, you can upload some files, but as you see, the edit product.php you can upload, but from the source code side, okay, even so you can upload, even so you can upload, but you cannot do something very, you can do nothing, because here, okay, the image, okay, edit here, product edit here, there are so many limitations. You cannot upload. You cannot upload some script files, but htaccess file is okay. So you can try to upload a htaccess file and do something like this. You see? Yeah. So this is HD file, the contents of the HD access. HD access, that means if we can find meet this file name 11.jpg file, and it will it will execute or consider this file as a PHP file. So to execute it as a PHP, so that means Even so, we cannot upload a PHP file or some script files. We can only upload a GPG file. But if the file name is 11.gpg, and at that time, this file will be considered as a PHP file. So this is why this depends on the HT access. So this is why we need to upload a HT access. Okay, so now let's do this. So, but this file is HT access. Okay, HT access. Most time I name it as 1.htaccess. This is because htaccess is a hidden file. Hidden file cannot be uploaded. Okay, so just make it htaccess 1.htaccess. And now let's try to upload it. As you see, but you cannot upload it directly because you need to change its file name to the original one. No one, only .ht access. So we need burp. Okay, let's open the burp. Yeah, burp is here. So let's open the browser. The burp browser. Okay. Let's use it. Let's do this. Okay. So now it's the same thing. Yeah, but first we need to log in. Still use Misa.com. Okay. So now let's come to the products. Click edit and choose the file you want to, you need to upload it. This is 1.htb access. But you cannot upload it directly. We need to use burp to intercept it. Okay, just not here, this one. Edit. Oh yeah, no. Okay, oh this one. Something wrong. Okay, log in. Hmm? Mm. Something wrong? Okay. Hmm? Oh, maybe something wrong with my network. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's come to the products, and you see here, and we need to upload the file here and here, and now intercept is on, and let's edit product here. So here you need to modify this file name back to 1.htp Okay, not the one, not one, but the .htp access. Forward, and okay. So now you have uploaded this file. So now we need to upload a new one. Okay, a new one. This one is here, as you see, and so we can make a new file here, such as the 11.gpg and select php eval or host one like this. This is a web shell. Okay, so the file is should be 11.gpg. Yeah, so now let's try to upload it. 11.gpg, okay. Product. Okay, so now we have uploaded it. Even though you have uploaded it, you also need to access to it. Otherwise, it's useless, right? So we need to know the response URL. So maybe, yeah, we really need to re-upload it again and to get the response. To get the URL. Otherwise, you cannot do this. Okay, edit. And now, as you see here, let's change to repeater. Okay, let's do it again. Let's check the response. Where is it? Let me find it. Okay, no find truth. Maybe in the category. Yeah, in category. So this is something very hard to do. That is, you can not only upload this file, but you also need to find it. Where is it? And also here, you can see all these usernames, right? So that means if you want to fix it, you can remove all these username and password. And so this Misa is admin, okay? And also you can edit the username or others. So this is very important. Oh, okay, but this but not now. Let's come to the yeah. Oh, this one. You see? So you can find it, right? Nothing. Okay, 1.php, we got it in the products. No response, but no response is a good news. This is because if we access to it and if we use the hack bar to execute, as you see, one ecosystem, okay, or pp info. As you see, yeah, we can execute PHP info function. So this also means, yeah, we can get the flag. You got the flag, right? Yeah. So this is the first vulnerability. With combined with yeah SQ injection and the file uploading vulnerability, we can get the flag. Okay, and first you need to inject the database, and you can get the admin. Okay, the Mesa, and so next you can after login you can try to upload the htaccess file, and then you can get the okay. So get the so you can get the shell. Okay, so this first vulnerability here, and for this one, it's very easy to fixed to patch. First, you need to patch this, and the second, you also something you need to do. That is, you need to remove some all this username and username. Okay, all usernames and password, or change the password. So that means others cannot log in. So for this one, yeah. And next vulnerability that is should be something very interesting here. The front one stays default web shell, okay, with str replace. This is a backdoor. Okay, this is a backdoor here. Sometimes, if the target is a PHP environment, it may have some backdoors like this. For this one, as you see, is here index.php, right? This is the index, and it will include some files. The include files are also most time is very dangerous. So and we need to check it for the include. For this one, as you see, this is very interesting. We will talk about it later. And this one and this one, you need to check it one by one for yourself. And this one and this one, footer and header, and also this one, menu and the slider. Okay, all this some include files. So what can we do here? Yeah, we can do something very interesting here. Why I say we will do something very interesting is because here, as you see, for the header, okay, header.php. So you see header. So what can we see here? Okay, some HTML code, right? But they not only HTML code, but also here, as you see. What's this? This is a very dangerous string. This is a backdoor for the PRG replace. As you see here, when we execute the PHP info, this is PHP file. So in PHP file, we must know that the PRG replace, okay, the pre replace, this one, can execute, can use E, okay, the parameter E. So that means if we just, type in some strings, it can execute first and then give us a response to replace. So for this one, this is a backdoor. So that means, you can not only, we can execute the header.php, include. We can access to this one. Even though nothing response, but something has happened is here. As you see, get u, as you see. So we can use the get u to do something. So it's this parameter u. And because the u can execute something, so for example, system rs. So let's try. As you see, we can execute command. This is the parameter u. Okay, the PRG replace here. Okay, we can use this to execute command. So that means, but if you want to fix it, I not suggest you to delete this file, but only delete this string. It's okay. Only delete this, not all this. Otherwise, something maybe error. So please don't do this. Okay. Just execute something like this. Okay, so now we can do the same thing and cat flag. Okay, so you get flag, right? Get flag. So that means, if we do this, as you see, you can get this flag. Okay, and also another one, you can get flag, right? That's true. But for this one, but in our slide, why I type in the index u, not this one, not this one. Why? This is because in the index.php, it has included the header.php. That means, the header.php has been included. And that also means every index PHP file which included the header.php will have the same vulnerability, same backdoor. So if you want to fix it, you need to remove the original string in the header.php, not others. Okay, so just remove it. So this is this one, and let's come to the next one. This one, this one should be very hard to detect. This is for the OB start and OB end. So this is very interesting one. Is here. Do you see the registration here? This one, the registration, and as you see, it not only has a backdoor, the header.php, because header.php has a backdoor, right? But also has this one, the OB start and OB end flash. So what's this? This is a very interesting, vulnerability here. Let's open a new one. As you see, so cookie is from the user status. A test, okay, the variable test is from the cookie test. Variable cookie is from the cookie user status. And But for this one, you may say, yeah, nothing in response, right? Nothing. But as you say, if we have a OB start, that means we'll open the catch. Okay, open the catch, and so end OB end. That means we'll output all this in the catch. But for this one, this is a callback function. If we use OB start this, and next time if we use echo test, that then we will combine them together. Okay, we will combine them together. So this is a callback function. So that means if we send a user status equals system, and the test equal ls, what will happen? It will combine to a new one, the system ls. So that means, yeah, we can execute some command. So, but how to trigger it? This is in the registration. Okay, registration.php. So that means, yeah, we need to access to the registration.php. Here, yeah, registration. Yeah, we need to register, and this is something wrong in cookie. So we use hack bar in cookie here. As you see, this is a cookie. So this is user status, but no test. We can give a test. And this one, we can use such as the system. But this one is RS. So let's execute. As you see, www.zip. Can you see it? So that also means, for example, we can use cat flag. You can get the flag, right? Yeah, this so just in the cookie, and you can remove the PHP. Yeah, this one PHP seed. That's okay. PHP seed is as a session ID is not necessary. Just remove it. Just keeps the user status and the system. It's okay. You see, you can get the flag. So this is another rival vulnerability here. Okay, vulnerability here. Cookie and test. So, and how to fix it? Very easy. Just move it here and keep it here. OB start, OB end. So at that time, just echo test, no such callback function. But if we here, this should be availability. Okay, very easy to fix. Okay, so this one, so this is yeah, a cookie and this one, and is that enough? No, we still have some vulnerabilities. Another one, the Berkey.php. And here, so still remember this? In the include.php, we have found something very interesting here. So what's this? This is a class, okay, object, and the object name is very strange, okay, ypnx, and so destruct something. So this is not a very good code. This is a backdoor. If you want to fix it, just remove it or clean it. But why it works? This is because here, as you see, this is some EXO. Okay, B. Okay, variable B A K E R. So what's this? So we can do this. We can do this. Okay, we can use the PHP code. Okay, to execute something. So we can test it in PHP. So how to do it? Very easy. Just PHP R, and we just echo it like this, as you see. Hex dimensional 14 and hex dimensional 17 file. So we just output the result is A. Okay, so we can do it step by step. You can get all of this. So what's this? Let's try. Sorry. I need a comma. S. Okay, S. And what's the next one? S. So how about the next one? E. So yeah, we can guess that the final string should be, Berkey should be assert. So this is a very dangerous function. And return Berkey. Okay, so assert, return assert. And so why we need to return it? This is xRNA. So as you see, UNHI equals xRNA, this directory, and assert, this assert, so FR. So if we can, but in this one, this is only a class, is useless. But if we can find something, okay, some file which includes the Berkey.php, maybe it will do something very dangerous. Okay, if the variable name is fr, so that should be very dangerous. So how to find it? In the cart index.php, we found it. As you see here, and it has included something, and as you see, it includes Berkeley.php and make a new object ypnx and pro-fr. Okay, is from where? From the name. Okay, all basically for product. So that means fr is come from something somewhere. So that means we can assert something. Or we can post the system. Okay, let's come back to this string. Is that get name? Oh, and otherwise it will be come from the basic people post products or just products. So that means we can post products if not set a name. Otherwise, if we have set get name, we will use a basic default string. But no matter which one, that means we can execute something. Let's try. First, let's come to the include bakery. Not this. Let's come to the cart index. Okay, as you see, this one is not has this file not only has one SQL injection vulnerability, but also has a command execution vulnerability. But for this one, we need to product equal, for example, system ls. Not product. Cat flag. Just cat flag. Oh, let me check it. Some zero. Maybe cards dot. Notice product. Oh yeah. You can get the flag, but not here. Let me check find the flag. No such flag. Oh, but this one is really okay. It really works. First. Oh yeah. This is something. Yeah, the comma. As you see here, flag is here. Flag is here. Yeah, something wrong in my here. This is yeah. Okay, that's okay. So as you see, flag is here. Okay, we got the flag. So this is some vulnerabilities about the for this one, the easy PHP, easy web. Okay, more vulnerabilities than the previous one. but very easy to patch, as you see. So for this one, how to patch it? So how to patch it? For this one should be same as the previous one, but yeah, you can fix it on the on your laptop, but also you can upload the files, or also you can patch it on on remote. It's up to you. But I suggest you something that is very important. That is, if you find some vulnerability in some specific files, you cannot just delete it. This is not okay. Okay, this is illegal. Because for example, the current index, yeah, it has two vulnerabilities: SQL injection and command execution. But if you just remove this file or delete it, okay, this may trick some error. Okay, so you cannot do this. We can only fix some special files. So for example, here let's access to the target site and target server and fix it. Come to easy web. Okay, here as you see, and now let's access SSH to it. So now you have logged in, and so let's come to change it to bash. Maybe yeah, we have the bash. Bash is better. So as you see, okay, this is all these files. We have found something. Yeah, found some files. So this is really a backdoor. No, it's useless. So we can just fix it here. So first, let's come to the glute and let's echo nothing to Becky. Okay. So now we have cleared it. So at that time, so let's try to execute this command. Nothing, right? Nothing response. This is because no such products. Okay, so we have fixed it here, and so no flag here, right? And another one. So this one has been fixed. Next one that is header. Okay, header cannot be cleaned because it has something very different. We can only remove this string. Okay, this string under 13 lines, 13th line. So let's come to the Vim header. So just remove this string, remove it. Okay, so now header has been removed. So now if we come back to header, as you see, if you just type in the U as is nothing response, right? So that means we have fixed it. Okay, so this one. And next, not only this one, SQL injection, this should be more very difficult to to fix. Okay, a little difficult. This is because we need to find the something. So first let's come to here. As you see, get your ID, right? Here, this one. And so for this one, this is because the SQL safe is not really safe. So in class, this one. So we can fix this, we can fix it. Not only PRG replace if we can make some adjustments. So if PREG okay replace this then it will be exit, or otherwise it will be routine. Okay, this should be more easy. And also you can try something very different. Some such as PREG not only replace but PREG match. Okay, PREG match is okay. Okay, it's up to you. But we can really to do this. Let's try to fix it in class, or you can try to fix here. Okay, it's a SQL safe. Okay, here you can change it here. For example, just slash replace. Okay, we can use another function to replace it, but I think it's not necessary. Just let's come to the CQCF. Okay, CQCF here. Let's modify it here under the class and the safe.php. Okay, so let's come to it. And here the safe.php, and we can with the safe dot, as you see here. So this is SQL safe, and because here only replace and retain, this should be very okay. So we can make something different. Just make a if. Okay. So we make a judgment. So we can if string compare PHP, not replace but match. Okay, this. Okay. Yeah, maybe something very just. Okay. Mm, so this is not only replace. So another way that is you can replace 2 times. Also, yeah. Or we can replace here this one. This is not very good, but if we do this, we can yeah, in CTF we can really fix it. Like we just replace this, yeah, double times. So that means a string this and replace again. Okay, replace again. So at that time, okay, it's okay. So let's try again. Skirt. So you see, nothing, right? No response, no response. So no response, that means, yeah, no such thing, no such thing. Okay, so this we can do this. So no, okay, and also another thing that is upload. So try to upload. Upload is also something we need to yeah, bypass. This is here edit product.php here. So we can come to the edit dot here. Oh, this one. Yeah, this one. This is edit. Sorry. So this is the process. Edit product. Okay, this one. So for this one, yeah, we need to upload something, But for how to upload it, we can make a yeah blacklist. Let's find a blacklist here, because we can upload the HT access. But for this one, yeah, we can try to yeah we can put the HT access file into the blacklist, so we can bypass it. And here, let's try to find it. This is yeah product.php. Let's try. Let's check it. Name, description, image. Yeah. Okay, no, not such thing. Let's come to this. Okay, for this one, let's come. Let's check it. So this is operation of upload. Okay, let's check the source code here. It's here. It's here. So let's find where is it? Not this one, maybe. Oh yeah, yeah, this one. Image. Okay, image. Let's find the image. which is from files, okay, include once this one, the data IP, okay, product IP, that means should be essential GPT, but no such. It has a blacklist. Let me find it. Not here. Image. Oh, it's here. It's here. So, yeah, there's this one. Yeah, we can have another thing that is to bypass it. Oh, yeah, we have really do it because HEXS cannot be blocked, and so we can do something such as this one. So header our product ID and category name, like a raw name. Yeah, it's here, right? So not this one, not this one, this one. Yeah, it's here. Another thing that is here, the cart. Yeah, still something is the cart product, cart index. Yeah. Okay, in this one, the session OB start, still this one. And we have fixed it. But another thing that is here, this one has been fixed, but this one, okay, this registration, yeah, registration still something we need to come to here. And as you see here, you can just remove the test, okay, or comment it. This is not necessary. But also you can change to another thing that is equal test. Okay, like this. And at that time, you can let's do it. Registration and check it. So now let's try this. Same as this one. Very similar to this one, but not supposed, but here. And user's letter. Try this. System and test. Echo cat flag. Okay, let's try. As you see, we can only see the cat flag, but no flag. So that means, yeah, it has been fixed. This one, for this one, yeah, it's we need to fix it. Later, it will be okay. As you see, if we cannot fix it, yeah, sometimes it will be crashed like this. And why it crashed, that maybe means here. Okay, this one. So because maybe we have fixed something like this for the check in the response. Okay, but it's okay. It's okay. So okay, so now you have fixed all of this. But something but I think maybe here, the cards, this one. Okay, so that's all. This is how to fix it. And if there's something wrong like this, you need to yeah restore it, But I think maybe yeah we cannot just delete it. Just delete it is not okay. But maybe yeah we can do something different. But this one for this is really yeah uh backdoor. Uh so that mean always means if it's crash, you need to yeah recover it. So that means yeah you can you need to do something. Okay, so this one, there's something wrong with the system, maybe. And here, and let's try to use their process. No, sorry, not this one. I think maybe something wrong with here. This one. Index. Okay, the can't index.php. This one. So in class, maybe, yeah, maybe we cannot change the class file. So sometimes the platform will check the original file. Okay, will check the MD5 value of all these files. If you change it or remove it, it will give you a response something error. So let's refix. Yeah, correct. Yeah, maybe I think this is why it's broken. It's the correct. So, but now it has such a vulnerability that is correct. Yeah, it's still not. Oh yeah, this is OOP. Oh yeah, we fix it, but still something. Yeah, something very secure is right. Oh yeah, I know. So when I try to fix it, maybe it makes something error. Okay, this. So if you cannot fix it, you need to restore it. Okay, you need ask to restore it. If you restore it, it may take you some yeah, it may take you some points. Okay, to restore this. Yeah, this. So if you cannot do this, you need to recovery. So this is why we need to keep or backup all this. Otherwise, you cannot do this. And so this is for this one, and we have fixed it, but I'm not sure why it cannot do this. Index. I have recovered it. Login. Let's try login. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. We can. So I think it work now. Cannot. Okay. It's okay. It's okay now. Okay. Okay, so this is for the easy web, how to exploit and how to fix it. And how to submit the flag is very similar as the previous one. Okay, just you need to submit, write some scripts. And I will share this with you. Okay, you just this. Okay, here, the exploit, okay, some scripts. Okay, so you can just yeah, modify it for yourself. This one. And for the easy web is very easy, so no such XP. You can just write it for yourself, or because this should be very easy. And so I not prepared this. You can modify it by this. Very easy to modify it. Okay. So this is for the AWD web, okay? In Word, you go okay in Word. You just something you how to complete this very you need to do something, okay? First, you need to find out all these vulnerabilities, and next you need to patch it. And when you patch it, remember that you cannot not just remove some files or delete it. This should be very dangerous. Just fix the yeah some sensitive strings. Okay, the vulnerable strings. Okay, this is also very important. So if you can do this, and I think you have known the rules, right? How to complete the AWD. So that means every runs, okay, every tricks you need to patch, you need to exploit, and so maybe every 5 minutes or maybe every 10 minutes to compromise targets, get flag, and fix your own machine to be avoided be attacked by others. So this is very important. And in this afternoon, we will continue this, but not web, uh, but the PON as okay. We need to know how to exploit some binary vulnerabilities and how to do how to patch it. In my view, okay, for the binary, it may be more difficult than web. Okay, web is maybe very easy, just change the source code. But for the PON, okay, for the binary, you need to do something more. Okay, so this is all in this afternoon. And do you have any question? Or do you have any question? All right. Okay. Is it right? If we don't have any question, okay, I think class is over, and we will start continue our class in this afternoon, 2 o'clock. Okay.